plateado, crema celeste, marrón. Los colores estos son. Muy bien.
Hi. Got her car running. And there they go. What'd you do? Hit Daddy with it? Don't hit Kaya. Or me. Oh, jeez. Now yours is broke? How did it break that quick?
Something's wrong with it. I remember I made mine a pinky.
Did yours put it too?
No. Mine will go backwards.
Yeah, well, you gotta do it twice.
Kaya, what are you doing? What's going on today, huh? What's your update for today? Are you so happy that we're home? Yeah, all day long quarantining with you. Yes, she's so excited about it. She loves quarantines. Out here enjoying some nice Florida weather. The sun went away. I'm drinking my pink drink, and she's hula hooping. All right, guess what we're doing today?
What?
We are planting some seeds. We've got bok choy. We have got chard, and we have got your favorite, spinach. All right, but here's the thing. We're not going to grow them to plant them in the yard. We're going to grow them as microgreens. That was so real. All right, so we're gonna fill this with dirt, and then we're going to try something that I saw on Roots and Refuge Farm with the dirt that's left. Okay,
Yep.
You ready?
Yep.
Listos?
See.
All right, I'm intentionally cutting this way. I know it doesn't make sense right now to some of you, but it will. All right, just cut all the way to the end. All right, we changed it around because that was a little difficult. All right, so we're left with this opening. Woo, ah, ooh, ah. Okay, now you're gonna take some dirt and you're going to just pile it into here. Okay, you do that?
Or we can do this.
Whatever floats your boat. Just get the soil in there.
Pet, pet, pet.
Alright, so you're going to take your finger and you're going to poke a hole, not very far deep. Okay? Not very far deep in each one. Yep, a little hole. There you go. And this is what we'll do. These two rows we'll do the spinach, we'll do the bok choy here, and we'll do the chard here, okay? We're going to put one seed in each one, okay? Now go ahead and plop all your spinach, one in each one. Okay, get it out of your hand. Alright, we're going to leave them open, and then we're going to go to the bok choy. Right, these are super tiny. So you see, we can still see the spinach seed, right? So you know what you've done and what you haven't, right? But these are so super tiny.
I'm gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Yeah, you want to know your system because you're not going to remember where you left off. So you gotta be paying attention, okay? They are hard to grab, aren't they?
Oh no, they got the right here.
Then bring your hand away. Okay. Be able to get to the top. So put your dirt back down. All right, let's smooth it out. Smooth it out with your hand. So we're gonna smooth this out right now, and then you can hold on. So try to figure out, like, do I want to take some out? What do I want to do here? I'm just gonna move over some dirt. I'm gonna let her throw all the seeds in here, and then we'll just gently pick this up and just sprinkle it over it, and then we'll do the same along down the line. All right, you got it? What'd you say?
They are.
Yep, so those are spinach seeds. Let's take a picture of that. All right, so hold on. We gotta find our, all right, so you can start throwing them all in this whole entire section. Yep, just all around. Pour that in your hand. Pour the rest in there.
I should like.
Just pour it in your hand. Pour some in your hand and go ahead and plop them all over there.
I
It
should-
don't matter where they are. They're just gonna all around. That's totally fine in this section. Okay?
Okay. Ready?
No. Like, don't want them anywhere else. So you don't want them on the ground. So spread them all out. So let's spread them out some. So they're not on top of each other. Look, there's some not here. Not over here. Put some right in here. Alright, now let's take this and let's,
For some reason, wait, I have one more left.
oh, you got one more left? Alright, go ahead and just, not all over the top, like we won't want it too deep.
There we go.
That's pretty good. Alright, so that was about right here. So now we're gonna do the same thing. So you know you can put them all in here, okay?
Alright.
Next is bok choy.
The smallest
So just so I can remember, the top of the bag is spinach, middle is bok choy, and the bottom of the bag is Swiss chard. No. Yeah, I don't want them flying all over the yard. You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Let me do it. All right, go for it. These are the. Let's see the little seeds. Let's see them. How cute. They're so little. All right, go for it. Right in this area. All right, I'm gonna swirl that around a little more. All right, go ahead and cover them.
Alright.
There they are. All right, go ahead with the Swiss chard. Let's put them all around. See how they're all clumped up? Yeah, let's make sure that they're all spread out so that they have a little breathing room. Like if you see them too clumped up, let's spread them a little. There you go. All right, so pull from under here to cover them up, but not too deep, remember?
They still don't want to see them though.
Yeah. You got him under? They all hiding?
Nope.
Oh, try to get them in there.
They're so hard because they're so big.
Oh, here's one over here. There.
Oh, they're over here too.
Okay, so here's a little project. So get your markers, get your popsicle sticks, and now we gotta label it first, but that's the idea, yes. All right, pick out a dark marker, something that you can see really good.
Not black. That's too original.
All right, so here's your bags, and there's the names. So you're gonna write the names kind of small on each stick, and go ahead and place them where they need to go.
Should I do it this side or that?
I would do it on both sides at the top, because half of it's going to be in the dirt and half of it's going to stick out. Working on Swiss chard right now. Yep, just like that. Yep, we need one more Swiss chard right there. So we've got Swiss chard, and Swiss chard. Good job. Yep, right down that side, and push it as far down as you can get it. There you go. Is where but you still need to be able to see it. But yeah,
I
that.
forgot to write chard.
Oh, oops.
Oopsie doopsie.
Back to the lab. All right, there's the end result. So now we'll do an update as soon as we start seeing something. All right. You proud of it?
Yeah.
I can't wait to feed them all to you. All right, go for it. Well, I don't think you can do it there. You should try it from that way to the back.
What's the challenge?
She's trying to roll it and run through it. Go. Where are you going? What are you doing? We're going to teaching textbooks again. What are we learning?
How to do percent.
How to do a percent? Ooh, what you got for breakfast there?
Grilled cheese and oranges and yogurt.
And a yogurt. You hungry? You've been running in the yard with your hula hoop. You gotta be hungry. I'm over here making breakfast. I've got turkey sausage. I've got eggs. I saved the ends of the bread that she doesn't use. Got my tomato. And I'm ready. I know I have, in making my list of what I want on our farm, I have to have chickens because I eat lots of eggs. I eat at least 1 to 2 eggs every day. So, I don't know how to grow wheat. I might have to figure that out. I love turkey sausage, tomatoes. I gotta grow tomatoes. Heirloom tomatoes only, though. Love heirlooms. What's so funny?
I don't know. I'm crazy.
You are. I went crazy when there was no more eggs in the store. I can't wait to get on our farm in Tennessee because we're going to have our own chickens. I've been learning how to freeze them. Yeah, you can freeze them for the winter when your chickens aren't laying eggs. And you can also put them in this solution in a bucket that I learned about. It's like something like limestone or something. I don't know. I got to look that back up. Got my gluten-free toast. I've got my sausages. I'm gonna put those in the fridge. I've got my heirloom tomato.
Yum.
Then I come over here and I grab. I dropped it. Anyway, I pick them up and put them over here. I had to cough. She stole the she stole tomorrow's sausages. So, gluten-free toast. I do open face. I do 1 piece of cheese. I just split them and put them this. Put them like this. I'm having a heck of a time trying to make this one little video. This is the human side of life, right? I love this thing because you just wipe it right out. And it's clean. Hi, Kaya. Yep. Every time there's food, there's a Kaya shortly. Every move you make, every bite you take. Oh, can't you see? The sandwich belongs to me. Hi, Kaya. There you go.
You're my